This channel is my love letter to London. Once upon a time, I moved to London to work in fashion PR. Think Bridget Jones meets Samantha Jones with a little bit of Ab Fab's Patsy and Eddie and a sprinkle of Devil Wears Prada. And just like that, I've been living in London for 15 years. I've spent the last 2 decades working in PR and marketing, building big brands and small brands, working in fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and food. But now I get to tell my own stories as a content creator and creative consultant and your girly guide to London's loveliest corners, wearing tulle and heels a la London's Carrie Bradshaw. I'm Claire Ann the City and I'm a West London girl. I've been so lucky to live in Maida Vale, Kensington and Notting Hill, so it isn't surprising I've always seen London like a film set. In fact, when I first moved to London, I was a time-out tastemaker, so my calendar was filled with cocktails, film screenings and theatre performances. My London life evolved from dance floors in Mayfair nightclubs wearing bodycon dresses and platform heels to finding my own style and looking for incredible experiences with Instagrammable corners. This channel is a love letter to London. You'll find walking tours of London hotspots like Chelsea and Mayfair with lesser known looks places and the odd foodie place mixed in. Seasonal guides for London like the extraordinary Christmas activities and the Halloween displays. London loves a theme and no one does it better. Film locations including Bridget Jones and Harry Potter locations, and celebrity guides like Taylor Swift's London, all the places that she's explored in real life and in her song lyrics. Fashion in London with those beautiful boutiques and those historic department stores, and of course we'll be looking at what Londoners and I'm wearing too. Flowers in London. If you're new here, you will not know that I'm fully obsessed with flowers, fully. So my job is to take you around that calendar and show you the best places to shoot. We've got everything from magnolia to blossom to the Isabella plantation. We've got wisteria and roses. The list goes on and I will show you the best of it. My favourite highlight of the calendar is Chelsea in Bloom in May. That's where the nearby shops put up looks displays and it's completely free to discover. I'm all about looks corners and I'll always look to enjoy places as sensibly as I can, which means I'll often pick the beautiful, light-filled, cheaper brunch over an expensive 5-course tasting menu in the dark. It's all about the content, baby. But I will often be wearing my tulle skirts and one of my 6 pairs of Valentino shoes that I've been collecting since I moved to the city. They have taken me so far and wide and I love them dearly. And yes, I literally will be the old lady who lived in her shoes. So London really is calling. Make sure you subscribe to Claire and the City for sparkles, stories and a front row seat to fabulous fashiony London. Until next time.